back to the values that we looked up in example 3. We looked up these 3 values in the standard normal table, and we found these were the corresponding areas. Excel does have the values for a standard normal distribution stored within it. So you can also use technology to get these values. For instance, if I want the area that corresponds to a z-score of 1.15, I'm going to hit equals, start typing norm, and you're going to want to go to norm.s.distribution. So this is the standard normal distribution. And in the pop-up, you can see it wants the z-score in the first spot, and then it says cumulative. Well, my z-score was 1.15, comma. And my options for cumulative are either true or false. We do want the cumulative distribution function, so therefore we're going to choose true. And then when I hit enter, you can see I get even more digits than just the basic 4 found in the table. I'll do the next one the same way, norm.s.dist, negative 0.24, comma, true, more decimal places of accuracy. And then there's the one where we had to find in between 2 values in the table of values. And this is where Excel really excels because it can find whatever value you might possibly need. And again, you can see it got 0.9840, which is what we got with additional decimal places. These are the areas to the left of Z. If you want the areas to the right of Z, remember you get that by doing 1 minus the area to the left. So I can just click in a cell, type in 1 minus, take the score from above, hit enter, and it does that subtraction for me. And similarly, if you want to get the Excel areas for area to the right, you're just going to type in equals 1 minus, then put your normal distribution command, then put in the z-score, comma, true, and that'll give you the area to the right. If you need the area in between 2 z-scores, just have Excel find the 2 areas and subtract them.